everyone, welcome back to PrimeBlock Capital. I'm Funcho Ajibali, and today we're breaking down the latest market moves in crypto, with Bitcoin rebounding back to $103,700, Ethereum holding above $2,600, and Solana continuing to rise at $170. But here's the real story. Capital is quietly rotating into AI coins, ETH, Sol, and early altcoin plays like Sui. But let's start with Bitcoin. After last week's high around 105k, Bitcoin corrected, found support around $100,800, and is now consolidating in a bullish range just above 103,700. Now, this isn't a top, this is the reaccumulation phase before the next breakout. Exchange outflows are rising, ETF inflows continue, and smart money isn't selling. Now, what's more interesting is what ETH and Sol are doing. Ethereum's holding firm at around that $2,600 mark, and we're seeing institutional inflows into ETH ETFs. Layer 2 activity on Base, Arbitrum, and Linear is surging. Ethereum is becoming the capital base for DeFi once again. Solana, at around $170, is quietly one of the strongest L1s right now. Jito, Camino, and meme coins like Mudeng and With are bringing in retail and whale liquidity. Sui, often overlooked, is still early and undervalued. It's showing the same signs we saw in Solana during 2021. Smart wallets added over $9 million in Sui in the last week. GameFi integrations, daily transactions, and new partnerships are pointing to very strong fundamentals. This is where asymmetric opportunities live under the radar. Now, let's talk about what I believe is the biggest signal of the year so far. Trump, Elon Musk, OpenAI, Palantir, they were all in Saudi Arabia this week. Why? To confirm a $600 million AI infrastructure funding package backed by the Saudi crown. Now, this isn't just tech. This is sovereign capital flowing into AI, and crypto is the infrastructure that supports decentralized AI. So the AI coins to watch are FET and ASI for that agent layer, Render for decentralized GPU compute, GRT for data indexing, AKT for cloud compute marketplace. Now, these aren't AI themed coins, these are infrastructure tokens being positioned to power real decentralized AI platforms. So what are we doing at the moment? Well, here's how we're structuring our client portfolios right now. For low risk, 40% Bitcoin, 25% ETH, 25% stables or yield farms, and the focus is long-term stability and light altcoin exposure. For moderate risk, we're looking at 35% Bitcoin, 25% ETH, 15% Sol, Sui, and 15% AI coins with 10% stables. Now, that focus is narrative-driven exposure with staggered entries. Then our high-risk play is 25% Bitcoin, 20% ETH, 20% Sol and Sui, 20% AI stack, and 15% cash. And the focus there is rotation for alpha and compounding in high growth sectors. Now, we track on-chain flows, technical indicators, and market narratives, and we adjust client allocations weekly. Now, if you're not working with someone and doing this alone, these are some of the tools that we recommend. CoinGlass for liquidation zones and long and short data. DeFi Llama for protocol inflow and ecosystem metrics. Look on Chain to track smart wallets. TradingView for support resistance zones and RSI. CoinMarketCap for token unlocks and trending narratives. But remember, tools don't build portfolios, strategy does. If you want a structured custom portfolio, we can help. Whether you're just starting or managing a high value crypto account, we tailor every plan based on goals, time horizon, and market conditions. You can DM us portfolio and we are more than happy to speak with you. That is the end of Friday's video. Please make sure you like the video, follow us, subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube, and hit the bell, and we'll see you in the next one. And remember, stay sharp out there.